Okay, so let's get into some of the drums here so we can kind of have a DJ mix in section, or else no DJ is going to want to play your track if they can't properly mix it in. It becomes really annoying for them. So this is our ARP and our intro right here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is add a little section of silence that I like to do with these types of tracks. Is you highlight the sections you want, or the amount of silence you want. So in here I want 2 bars, looks like. Okay, or sorry, 3 bars or 4 bars. Can't even count today. And then you hit Control I or Command I on a Mac. And then you get a section of silence that's inserted into your track. So you can see now I have this section right here. And these are fun to do when you have like you want to do like a contrast switch up from the intro into like the build up melody. It gives a nice little transition between the two. So first thing is we're going to grab the kick drum. Let's go ahead and put you there and there. And then I believe that should be good. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna do a little EQ automation here. Okay, so let's simply just automate the low cut. And so we want about maybe 78 hertz. Okay, now we want to add a fill. And then we can simply start adding some claps. And you basically kind of just construct it the same way you would as the chorus. And then, you know, it's kind of self-explanatory after this. And then let's go ahead and reverse you. And then this will be another section where the snare builds up. Take a listen from the beginning. Okay, so I miscalculated where I wanted the silent section to be. Let's go ahead and zoom all the way out. Let's fix this real quick. So let's see if I can show you an example here. Yeah, okay, so let's say I wanted the main intro to start like right here. It should be right there is actually where it should start. So this little bit right here I don't need. Simple fix, Control L to loop that section or to set a loop region, highlight it, and then let's simply delete the time. Now we should be good. Okay, so let's take a listen from the very beginning to hear the flow of it. You know, I want to get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's try it again. Okay, I think that works.